So now let's see how you can set your own custom thumbnail inside of Smart Player while exporting project from Camtasia and the other option that Smart Player provides you with. So I'm just going to go around onto my library right here where I have my San Francisco video footage just like this. So I'm just going to go around and hit the share button right here and click on local file. So once I do that, I have this option right here. So I'm just going to hit next. And then I'm going to go around with custom production settings here, choose MP4, and I'm going to turn on produce with controller right over here. So after the video, I have an option to send it to some other website over here. So I can just go over here and then start out. Let's say, for example, I can type in www.youtube.com/tutortube just like this. I want it to go to this URL after it completes playing the video. And then over here in the beginning, you can see that pause at start is turned on. So I'm going to let it be as it is. So I can go over here and start the thumbnail. I can choose a specific thumbnail right over here. So I already have made the thumbnail that I want to in PNG format. So I'm just going to open that out and that'll be set right here, as you can see. So I can go around with the size right here. Everything is okay. I can go around with the video settings, audio settings, and options, other options like table of contents and so forth. In HTML title, I'm just going to type in TutorTube right over here, TutorTube test, just like this. So now everything is okay. So I'm just going to hit next, just like this. And I'm not going to include any watermarks. So I'm just going to hit next. And over here, this is going to be, let's say, for example, test project right over here, test project for Camtasia, just like this. Test project for Camtasia video thumbnail. And what I'm going to do is this is going to be Camtasia test project thumbnail, just like this. So I'm just going to finish and export this out right here. And you can see that it is being exported. So it's rendering the video. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. And then it has been rendered out just like this. So I'm just going to go around and then minimize this and go on to the Camtasia test project section, just like this. So once I do that, I'm just going to open up the file right over here. So I'm just going to open this out and let's see what happens. So the thumbnail is visible, as you can see right here. The thumbnail that we chose is here now. And if we were to play it, it plays the video out just like this. And as it reaches the end, we have the link right here. So we have an option to click on visit site, and then we'll be redirected on to our TutorTube web page just like this. And that is how you can use these Smart Player settings to go to a URL and have a custom thumbnail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.